How to get $100 IKEA promo code. Open up a browser on your PC or your mobile device and search for coupon follow and give it a search. Tap on the first suggestion given to you. You will find various of deals and brands on the specific brands. To search for IKEA, tap on the search bar and search for IKEA and tap on the suggestion. Enter your email address and tap on Get Alerts to never miss out any coupon or offer from IKEA. You will find various of offers. If you find anything that is interesting to you, just tap on the coupon given to you. To copy the code, simply tap on Copy. Tap on Redeem at IKEA if you want to redeem the code instantly. To redeem the code, first and foremost, you will be redirected to IKEA homepage, where you have to log into your account. Then purchase some of the items off the IKEA homepage. While checking out, you will see a promo code dialog box, so you have to go ahead and enter the promo code that you copied in the dialog box. If the promo code is already added, it will be reflected while you are checking out on your total balance. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.